Okay, I will draw the face. You cannot see the face. Oh my god, you cannot see the face at all. Okay, 110! So what I hear? Scared! What the First, you can see there's a count. Rubber bands count. So today we're trying to explore the rubber, make watermelon with a rubber band. I don't think it's possible to explode with my thigh. Impossible. But look at this huge watermelon. I can just cut it with a katana as well, but that's not making it. Here we go. I still have so much. Alright. Same as last. Alright. So I don't know if watermelon is bigger, it's gonna be easier to export or not. Actually, I have no idea. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much everyone for coming to Meowko Science Time. Today we are going to explore this giant watermelon sun with rubber band. We're gonna try how many rubber bands we're gonna need to export this giant one. We already tried this challenge once and it was fun, but it killed my stream. Oh, my hand is so tired. Yeah, exactly. My hand is super duper tired. Wait, why did it kill my stream? But this time I hope my stream is not gonna die. And also, we will see how many rubber bands we will need, because last time we thought we needed like 250. But yeah, let's see if bigger will take more or bigger will take less. For safety, I have a gloves. We should give it a name. Let's give him a face too. Okay, I will draw the face. You cannot see the face. Oh my god, you cannot see the face at all. Here we go. Oh my god, this is big. This is big. This is big, dude.
That's what she said.
Rari! Hello, Rari! You're gonna die though, but anyways, I'm gonna respect-free kill you, don't worry. I'm so excited to eat this big one because it's super juicy. Alright, this is a 6. I'm gonna put... No! I'm not having good grip. Like a puzzle of mine. I feel like it's already changing the shape. What do you think? Well, actually compared to the last time, how big is that last time? Wait, so small! Compared to the last time, it's so small. But this time it's pretty big, right? It's pretty big. So I already explored watermelon and also the pumpkin. And pumpkin was less rubber band I needed it, and it went exploding so big. It went other side of the room like a We reached the 50. Congratulations, this watermelon. Okay, here we go. How many rubber bands can take? Oh, we're gonna go to the hundreds. All right. Okay, we're gonna go to 69.
Nice.
Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna wear some gloves and my hands are very painful. So stay there, Larry. Don't be exploded yet. Larry didn't want to do this though. He wanted to be very. Oh my god, I just find this sticker on the floor. I'm gonna put it here.
I think on a scale from 1 to Hiroshima, the explosion will be a solid Meowko
Oh my god. There's gonna be more like juice splitting, like. And I think it's gonna be less of like boom, more like. I think we can go to the 100. It's changing the shapes. It's definitely changing the shape. Yeah, I'm ready to run. Like if it explodes, I'm like, oh shit. So 100. No, cats allowed. No cats allowed. This is danger zone. No cats allowed. Say hello to everyone. Okay, 110. So what I hear? Like, yeah, I hear the pressure sound. Here we よ。はーOh my god, oh my god, oh my god. One more and I think it's gonna explode. I hear the sound. Did you guys hear the sound? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you scared me. Okay, 130! I think it's gonna come. I think it's gonna come. ちょっと待って I think it's gonna come. More than 165. Yes. Oh my god. Well, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Scared. What the Alright, we're gonna go to 161. Yeah! Boom! Okay, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167. Oh, guys! 169.
Nice.
Larry, this dude takes 169 rubber band and still going. Are you okay? But definitely change shape, peanut shape right now. 170, 171, 172, 173, 174. Okay, 175, no, 176, 177. We're gonna go for the 178, 179. Okay, 180. 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Oh my god, I think we're gonna reach to 200s. 191, okay, 192, okay, 193, 194. In Japan, okay, 155, 95, I mean. Can you guys hear that? Can you guys hear that? Yeah, can you hear a cracking sound? 196. Don't do that. Ay! 197. Oh my god. Okay, one more. One more and it's gonna be 200. 200. Oh my god, we reached the 200. 201. 202. 200. 203. The same equal amounts. 209, 210. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to 220 non-stop. 111, 112, 113. Are you still going? Oh my god, really? Oh my god, it's still going. Holy shit. Rest in peace. So clean. Look at the juice. いただきます。Oh, so sweet and juicy. So sweet and juicy now. Oh my god, that was so perfect. Look. Oh, rubber band went to the PC. Oh no! It's there. Yeah, oh my god, it went this direction. Okay, this watermelon, I'm gonna put the inside of fridge. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like it looks like a crime scene. It was so fun, and it was so fun, and the suspension was real because seriously, I thought, guys, I really thought it's gonna explode at like 150 or something. So I've been like, oh my god.